construct a triangle ABC in which base BC equal to 5.5. So I am drawing one rough diagram. BC is equal to 5.5, AB is equal to 6 centimeter, ABC is 120 degree. Construct a circle circumscribing the circle. Draw a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD so that D is equidistant from B and C. Okay, so let me take BC 5.5. So this is a 5.5 here. A 5.5 line I am taking here. See, this is 5.5 line. Then at B you draw 120 degree. So this is B. I am giving name B here. Then here you draw here 120 degree. How to draw 120 degree I am showing you. This is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. So join the side this way. These are the 2 points I am joining. Then AB 6 centimeters. So you take one 6 centimeter. One 6 centimeter I am taking. Start from here 0 to. So this is one 6 centimeter line. See here up to this. One 6 centimeter line. Then take this 6 centimeter length up to this. This is 6 centimeter. So this 6 centimeter I have taken, and from B let me cut. So I have to produce this side little. So this is A. This point is A. Now join this C and A. C and A. So that triangle ABC already done. Now we have to construct a circle circumscribing the triangle ABC. Circumcircle, that means two side bisector. So you draw two side bisector. Let us bisect side B. So I am bisecting this side. Then from B another. Let us join this. So this is the bisector of the side, and then bisect this this BA side. That means here, and from there you draw another and join these two. See here, these two you join. The intersecting portion is the center here. Take O, and from here you take the length up to B or up to A, and draw the circle. See, this is the circle I have drawn. Now it is told cyclic quadrilateral ABCD so that D is equidistant from B and C. That means this side you produce this side, it will be D. This point will be D. So cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. See, A, B, C, D. Join these two. These two you join. These 2 points. And This point also you join. These 2 points. D and A. So A, B, C, D is the cyclic quadrilateral. Give him name here K and here L. So that is done. This is the sum.